Hi, good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to geography class. So, in the previous classes, we have been discussing the important atmospheric phenomenon. That means the atmospheric temperature, then pressure. In the last class, we have discussed or you saw the important pressure belts and about the wind system. And today we are moving on to a case study of a cyclone that hit the coast of Odisha, the state in our country. Okay, so nowadays you are hearing so many news about climatic condition, climatic changes, especially rain, cyclone, then flood, etc. in the newspaper and the TV news. Okay, so this particular season that experience now at present is known as a monsoon season. It is known as retreating monsoon, or it is also known by the name northeast monsoon. Okay, so cyclones are a common phenomenon in this particular rainy season, especially in the eastern coast of our country, southeastern coast, especially the coast of Odisha, West Bengal, then Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, etc. So in this political map, you can see the states and their capitals and also the union territories. You please go through the map if you have in your house, in your home. Please go through that. Please try to understand the location of different states, union territories, and if you can, you find out the capitals also. Then try to plot this in a map, especially in an outline map if you have. Okay, so here you can see the important states, not important, all the states. From south we can start. Yes, here you can see Kerala, then Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Telangana, Maharashtra, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Jharkhand, West Bengal. Then moving on to north, we have so many other states like Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, then Uttarakhand, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh. This formerly state of Jammu and Kashmir that is divided into two union territories now. They are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Then towards the east, you can see so many other states, Sikkim, then Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so these are the important things you have to keep it in your mind about the states, location of states. Then it is given in this map the capitals also. You please go through that. Please try to watch this video repeatedly. Then it will be very easy for you. Okay, children. Okay, so you just go through this. This is the east coast. So you can see the east coast that is here, and this is the west coast. So this particular east coast is prone, this cyclone prone, especially in this season, northeast monsoon season or retreating monsoon season. Okay, so they are known as tropical cyclones. So a case study is given there in your textbook about a cyclone that hit the coast of Odisha in the year 1999, October 29, 17 to 18. Cyclone hit five districts of the state, and another super cyclone occurred on 29th of October 99. Okay, that caused so many destruction to the state. Not only for the state, the people also suffered a lot. So many uh, people were killed, so many became injured and became homeless. The cattle also killed in that particular fury of our nature. Then so many infrastructure facilities have been destructed, like telephone lines, electric lines on all. Then buildings were destroyed. The damages were caused mainly due to three important factors, like wind velocity that was very high, then continuous rainfall and tidal surge. So these destructions were very vast. It causes damage to the crops also, like paddy, then vegetables, fruits, etc. So in this map, you can see the areas which are cyclone prone. Okay, that is especially the eastern coast, the states in the eastern coast, and also some in the west coast. Okay, then now we are analyzing some important facts about cyclones. So, about cyclones, they are large, unpredictable storms that form only in tropical waters. That means within the tropics, that is 23.5 degree north or Tropic of Cancer, and the southern tropic, that is Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south. So, between these tropics, these cyclones are prominent because in the equatorial region, the waters, the oceans and seas are very calm and quiet. That they are known as doldrums. No such disturbances are seen over the seas. But when we are moving towards the south and north, uh, this became very furious. So these cyclones are seen especially within the tropics. They are known as tropical cyclones also, and they are known in different names. Okay, so they are called hurricanes or typhoons in the northern hemisphere. The cyclones are huge revolving storms caused by winds blowing around a central area of low atmospheric pressure. Then you can see the picture also here. Wind blows anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. And they are known in different names like typhoon, hurricane, cyclone, willy willy, etc. So typhoons are termed used when it formed in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, then hurricane, it is termed used when it formed in Atlantic Ocean, then cyclone, yes, in the Southern Ocean and in Indian Ocean, then willy willy, it is used in Australia. So these are the different names given to this cyclone, the tropical cyclone, in different areas. Okay, so here are some factors which contribute the development of a cyclone. So factors like wind speed, wind direction, temperature, and humidity. These are the important factors which contribute to the development of a cyclone. And the center of the cyclone is a cloudless, calm area, and it is known as the eye. Okay, is it clear from this picture, children? The eye of the cyclone, the central low pressure area, is known as the eye of the cyclone. It is always a cloudless, calm area. Okay, and here I am adding one video for you to clarify the things about the cyclone that hit uh, Odisha coast in 1999. Okay, you watch this and read the textbook very clearly. If you find any difficulty, you can contact me. Okay, children? Okay, thank you.
The 1999 Odisha cyclone was the most intense recorded tropical cyclone in the North Indian Ocean, and among the most destructive in the region. The 1999 Odisha cyclone organized into a tropical depression in the Andaman Sea on 25 October, though its origins could be traced back to an area of convection in the Sulu Sea 4 days prior. The disturbance gradually strengthened as it took a west-northwesterly path, reaching cyclonic storm strength the next day. Aided by highly favorable conditions, the storm rapidly intensified, attaining supercyclonic storm intensity on 28 October, before peaking on the next day with winds of 260 km per hour and a record low pressure of 912 mbar. The storm maintained this intensity as it made landfall on Odisha on 29 October. The cyclone steadily weakened due to persistent land interaction and dry air, remaining quasi-stationary for 2 days before slowly drifting offshore as a much weaker system. The storm dissipated on 4 November over the Bay of Bengal. Although its primary effects were felt in a localized area of India, the outer fringes of the super cyclone impacted Myanmar and Bangladesh. Thank you for